Hello everyone. Welcome to Sunday, the 12th of April 2026. I will be reading as usual from UCB, United Christian Broadcasters, Daily Devotional in audio version. Today's topic says, True repentance brings restoration. True repentance brings restoration. Father, I have sinned. Luke 15:18 from the New King James Version. The story of the prodigal son illustrates the meaning of true repentance. It's about a young Jewish man who rebelled against all that he'd been taught, turned his back on his father, was lured by the bright lights of the big city, and ended up in a pig pen feeding swine. But he did three things that turned his life around. First, he changed his mind. When he came to his senses, he said, How many of my father's hired servants have food to spare? And here I am starving to death. Second, he redirected his will. I will go back to my father and say to him, Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. Third, he took action. So he got up and went to his father. Repentance is a change of mind, which brings about a change of will and results in a change of action. It led to the prodigal's forgiveness and restoration to his family. Here are two things about sin you need to know. Point number one, God will uncover every sin you try to cover up. Judge nothing before the time until the Lord comes, who will both bring to light the hidden things of darkness and reveal the counsels of the hearts. 1 Corinthians 4:5 for the New King James Version. Point number two, God will cover every sin you uncover. He who covers his sins will not prosper, but whoever confesses and forsakes them will have mercy. Proverbs 28:13 for the New King James Version. Go ahead, confess and forsake your sin, and God will cover it with the blood of Christ. There is no good reason to wait. Do it now. With that said, as Christians, we ought to read the Bible daily for our own good. So today's readings are from the books of Joshua, chapter 16 to 17, from the ESV version, English Standard Version, Psalm chapter 102, Ecclesiastes chapter 9, Acts chapter 14, and lastly, let's reflect on John chapter 3, verse 16. With that said again, I'm your friend, Lady Esther Domain. Have a very glorious Sunday and a very brand new week ahead. God bless you. Bye for now. Shalom.